My name is Richard Otuori Gisemba. This is my shop. My address is 2707 South Cuba Street, Suite 126. The city is Arlington, Texas, zip code 76015. I do mechanic, both imports and American cars. I fix engine, overhaul, change oil, AC, brake system, cooling system, etc. So I urge all my customers and friends, you come see us on 2707 South Cooper Street, Suite 126. I fix everything, like I said, engine, oil change, AC system, etc. You are all welcome to my shop, 2707 South Cooper Street, Suite 126.